Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Cilio Professional Juicer, the AMALFI KP 4444309 Juicer, steel and in black. It's also available in cool gray and cream and red and in silver matte. The excellent mechanical power transmission and the extra long handle allows an easy pressing without much effort. Made of stainless steel and die-cast zinc, the professional quality juicer has a particularly heavy base with action caps to allow easy pressing without wobbling. The funnel and the press cone, made of stainless steel, can be easily removed and are dishwasher safe, though the juicer is quickly cleaned and immediately ready to use again. The AMALFI Professional Juicer is available in many different colors and in chrome plated and copper plated. The dimensions when it's closed is length 28 centimeters, wide 18 centimeters, height 43 centimeters. The dimensions when it's open, length 23 centimeters, wide 18 centimeters, height 72 centimeters, and the funnel diameter is 5 inch. The press cone diameter is 4.1 inch. It is by Cilio Citrus Presses. This commercial grade press makes juice orange, grapefruits, limes, and lemons fast and easy with the minimal effort and easy cleanup. We put a glass under the press. We place the fruit half on the raised cone. We press the handle down and watch the fresh juice flow into the glass. Available in multiple finishes. Commercial grade press makes juice orange, grapefruit, limes, and lemons. Easy peasy. Leverage product by a long handle maximize juice extraction, and the rubber stiction feed coupled with a heavy base provide reliable stability. An upper and lower frame made of an aluminum funnel, vertical support, and an extractor made of stainless steel, and minimal cleanup. You see, the removable parts are dishwasher safe and really easy to use. We put a glass on the base, we place a half fruit on the raised cone, and we press the handle down. 7 inches to 8.5 inches, 17 inches to 10.6 pounds. Maximum leverage is possible, no effort at all. Thanks to the lever product, by the long rubberized handle, the fruit practically juice itself while maximizing the juice extraction. And we're built to last. It's constructed of a durable cast aluminium. The funnel and the extractor are made of stainless steel. All removable parts, dishwasher safe. And confidence in stability. The rubber feet and the heavy base provide reliable stability. And this comes to you by Cilio Professional Juicer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.